Welcome to the Android channel, and this is the Android news for Tuesday, August the 28th, 2018. And today in our tech news, we have new phones announced by LG. It announces two new phones, the LG G7 One and the LG G7 Fit. Pretty much high-end phones with an interesting mix of new and older hardware running on the Snapdragon 835 chipset. And of course, it also shows that LG is actually releasing its first Android One handset. Rumors have it that the Galaxy S10 series will be the first Samsung smartphones that will have a in-display fingerprint reader. But at the same time, a lot of people are saying, you know what? Why do that when right now on the S9 series, the fingerprint reader is actually at the perfect place in the back of the phone. Google Go search app now has acquired the ability to read articles aloud. So basically, it of course will let you on the Android Go platform have the possibility to do other things while listening to whatever articles you want read to you. As we learned that the second quarter, Huawei has surpassed the Apple brand in smartphone sales. This is pretty interesting, making Huawei the second biggest smartphone maker in the world. And what's interesting is that they don't even sell any phones in the US, which means this is crazy. Imagine if they had also the US market possibility. And we also learned that they're actually getting ready to update several of their devices to the Android 9 Pie OS. A poll asked users to give their impressions of their favorite Android versions, and it seems to point that most users that have moved to Android 8 Oreo actually prefer that version over any other version before. But the problem with such a poll is that it's very difficult because so many people are still at Android 7 or 6 that it's kind of a flawed poll, basically. Google and some other tech giants are actually asking the government to have a better privacy law. Basically, of course, it's pretty creepy what they know about us. And users want to have more privacy and want these big companies to kind of stop snooping. Now, that's why the European Union had the GDPR. But the problem is, Google and big tech giants are not happy with these laws that restrict a lot of what they can actually get in information on users. They want laws to actually give them a little more possibilities. I don't think we want to have such a law, honestly. And this was the Android news for Tuesday, August the 28th, 2018. Enjoy our videos? Please subscribe. Give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.